everybody, my name is Littleuni, and I'm with Ashley Wild.
Hello.
I hope you can hear her this time.
I'm a lot closer to the microphone.
If I just shove it in your face, maybe then we can hear it.
If you shove it in my face, and I'll shout really loud and see if they can hear me.
Yes, it'll be a team effort. Everyone will love it. I haven't read the newspaper yet, and I wanted to read it with everybody, even though Ashley already read it. Smack, smack.
Hey, you didn't tell me not to. And besides, the newspaper was shoved in my face when I walked on.
Yeah, I closed it though. I already know that there's a coming soon thing happening because people kept posting pictures of the leaked newspaper. But it's really adorable. Okay, so there's a Graham's workshop. As a Mr. Graham Cracker.
That's always what his name reminded me of. He's Graham Cracker.
Yeah, that's always been his name. It's just some adventure that no one likes. And Play Wild is for iPads now, so I can't play it. And Snow Leopards have returned to Jimov at the Diamond Shop. Ooh. And the back to school party, which I have also already been to. I'm sorry.
I've been there too. I got a cool flag to hang on my castle.
And have you heard the amazing, fantastic, and stupendous news, Jammers? Link says the awesome Wildcats will soon call it my home. I really hope that it's an animal that you can actually be and not a pet like they did with the geckos.
No, I'm pretty sure it's an animal you can be because they made a video about it. Usually they make videos about animals you can be instead of pets.
It's so cute and stubby. It looks like a baby tiger.
I know, right? It looks like you should be a little kitten.
I know, you're so
It's
cute.
got big paws and a tiny little body and a itsy bitsy tail.
Yeah, I have almost 50 diamonds, so I'll be able to buy it when it comes out.
How do you not spend them?
I just don't see anything that I want in there. Ooh, a new and improved achievement system. Just click your animal picture and then the achievement button to see every achievement in Jamon and how to earn them. You can even see how close you are to your goals. My brain turned off, so I just said close. And there's, of course, the bees are still here. Click below to visit Serbia Theater to watch a cool new video all about honeybees. Bees! Bees!
Oh yeah, but I have to get rid of my bee outfit.
Oh.
I had to make room for more important things.
Smack! What kind of important things are more important than being a bee?
Presents.
Oh, I guess that is more important. I got a blue top hat right before I started this video.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And I made a new boy Arctic Wolf. He's one of my favorite Arctic Wolves so far. He's purty.
I noticed it was right on your profile when I opened an activity you're in.
I like him.
He looks like he should be friends with Slender Deer.
He kind of does, just a little
Slender
bit.
Deer likes his style.
Let me just sniff your feathers. You're good. Okay, I didn't mean to start running in some random direction. Oh yes, I need to redecorate my gremlin. He just wears whatever he wants to, so...
On my screen he's running in place.
I can see that. That's so weird.
Maybe if I trample him, he'll stop running in place. Nope, it's not working. Oh well.
He's just gonna change his outfit real quick.
He's jogging, that's what he's doing.
He always wears the 3 newest things in my inventory. This is how he looks now. He's so cute. And he's wearing a shiny anklet.
Yep, everyone's have to love those shiny.
Yeah, he thinks he looks fashionable. Okay, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, hang on, I gotta buy something.
Oh yeah, I haven't checked the stores. I want to check all the stores.
There's nothing in the 10 items shop so far. I just wanted to save up for a thing that I wanted.
You could have just told me that. I could have sent you expensive things. Look in here. Alright, what's here? Galoshes!
Oh.
And an old top hat.
Oh, I like the old top hat. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, some people from movies, I guess.
Yeah, it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland.
Oh yeah, the Mad Hatter. His hat was like the top of his house sort of broken.
Yeah, he's kawaii. I love the old top hat. Not a big fan of the galoshes, but I'll buy them anyways. Teensy Tiny Moon needs rain boots anyways. It's constantly raining here.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot.
And apparently we're not the only place. Pretty much every other YouTube channel is being like, oh, it's raining all the time.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. It's like the weather's the same all around the world. I had a friend in Germany, and the weather there was the same as it is here. Well, at the same time. Even though I think it was more hot there because he was just saying how hot it was and stuff.
Waiting. This has been 5 minutes of absolutely nothing.
Yep.
I want to dress. No, never mind. I won't do that. I'll do that later. I'm going to be a different animal. What are you up to?
I'm sort of just standing around my den trying to figure out what to do.
Oh.
Maybe we can play best guess?
No, that's not fun to watch.
Okay. It's fun to play though.
Oh, I can't wait for those little lynxes to come out. They're just so cute.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, they're gonna be the ones that are role playing all the baby animals now.
Yeah.
They're so tiny and they look like kittens, and they're gonna be everybody's kittens.
Yeah.
It's like the bunnies, because apparently bunnies look like all the other animals when they're babies.
Yeah.
I remember, like, a really long time ago, when we first joined Animal Jam, we used to dress up our bunnies to look like little dragons and turkeys.
Yeah.
Everything but a bunny.
Yeah, bunnies are never just plain old bunnies.
There was something else.
Even though Teensy Tiny Moon is just a plain old bunny. Oh, hey, flash crash. Maybe if I refresh the page, everything will be better. This weird thing has been happening with my Animal Jam where it's like, suddenly Animal Jam crashes, and I refresh the page and it says that I don't have the Flash player installed. It's annoying, but
That's weird.
all I have to do is close internet and restart it to fix it. But still, you know. Boots.
I didn't get to see the beta party yet. I'm excited for that, but I don't think we're gonna have enough time for it in the video
How
to
have
see that.
How have you not seen the beta party yet?
I haven't been on them forever. I'm pretty much only going on them when we make videos.
The beta party was on many months ago, and now it's on again.
Like I said, I haven't been online in a while. I'm sad. It hasn't been months. It's been weeks.
No, it's been months.
Weeks.
Months.
Maybe 1 month. Half a month.
It's definitely been more than 1 month.
That's what you think.
It was back. It was there like June.
No, it wasn't.
It was. Ooh. I remember this animal.
Oh yeah, I remember those.
And it was when giraffes were new, and I was like, I have my membership now. I'm not gonna edit my giraffe though, 'cause he looks like a pizza.
Is that seriously what you thought?
Yeah, that's what I thought to myself. He's the color of pizza. He looks just like a pizza.
I changed my giraffe a lot. She's wearing a weird outfit, sort of, but I think it looks pretty good.
I wanna see your weird outfit. I'm coming.
It's not like super weird. That's what I think it is. I don't know what other people think, right? Because I haven't shown anyone yet, but.
Well, now you're going to be showing thousands.
Woo!
Woo.
I've been experimenting so much with my giraffe. Because I don't know entirely what looks good on her.
Come back.
What?
Come back. You ran away.
You're like. You're just going really slow in my things. What's on your head?
A glove.
I thought that's what that was. Why?
Cause I'm Super Rhino. I have to put something on my head.
So you put a glove on your head?
Yes, because when I ram people with my horn, the spiked collar will hit them and the glove will slap them. It's a super attack.
It looks like an inflatable glove. I don't think it's gonna do much.
It'll do so much. And I'm also wearing my slippers so I can nap anytime. And of course,
He's just tripping those.
no, especially not with my cape. I like your ears. I don't have ears.
You did it under the glove.
The glove is a part of me.
So basically, you have a comb, like a chicken.
It's not a chicken comb because it's sideways.
But it's also red, and it's shaped like one.
So you're saying that anything red is a comb?
No, I'm saying anything red and on your head and it's shaped like one and it's part of you is a comb.
No, that's not true. Oh, I want to go to the summer carnival. They might have new things there.
Oh yeah.
I keep.
I just put the wrong thing.
Go faster. Jeez. They don't have anything new.
Nothing new.
No.
I like the ring of fire though. It looks really cool. I didn't see that before.
I want to go check the plushies. They usually switch those out occasionally.
Okay.
Oh yes, they're finally not.
Oh, it has an infinity necklace. I want that. I'm gonna get one.
They finally switched out the freedom ones. I hate the freedom ones.
Why do you hate them so much? I think they're cute.
I don't like them. They're ugly. Ew, turtle!
Turtle?
Giant turtle plushie. And
Oh, that was there last year.
I don't care. I feel like that they're more colorful than they were last time.
I love the fox ones.
Yeah.
Oh, and the owl. That's my favorite.
I really like the giant froggy.
I like all the giant ones. They're all pretty cool. Although the Garfield looks a little bit too big.
It's like he's got a big zipper so you can
Yeah.
get inside.
He's secretly a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
That stands up and looks like.
It stands up on its own and stares at the other people that they're sleeping.
It's so creepy.
Oh, Shanti's been such a nuisance for videos. I was recording Safari Simulator earlier today and she stepped all over the keyboard and almost deleted my save.
Oh, you recorded that?
Yeah.
Is it any good?
Yeah, it's hard though.
It's hard. What do you have to do?
Imagine Zoo Tycoon only with poachers and your animals will eat each other.
So you have to like try to keep everything alive?
Yeah.
Wow, that does sound kind of hard.
It's so difficult. Like you have this lady that tells you like what your place needs, like, but she's constantly like, you need more lions, you need more buffalo. What are you doing? You put too many lions in there.
Are brain helmets like valuable at all?
Not really.
Okay. They're not they're a really rare thing. I mean, this is not really rare. They were released like 2 years in a row.
Yeah, they're a seasonal item now. Well, I don't know if they're going to be in here this year, but they might be.
So far they've been seasonal. They're here 2 years in a row.
I love this walk-in closet. It's so adorable. But it doesn't come in pink, so I can't get it for Teensy Tiny Moon.
That looks so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so awesome. I didn't see that there.
Yeah,
Which
it's
store was in that?
Epic Wonders.
Okay. I'm gonna get the cat off the door.
I'm alone. I'm alone forever. I think it's pretty and shiny. Yes, pretty and shiny. I want to even out that number. Hold on, you guys. Evening out the number wasn't even the phrase I was supposed to use. I just made the number odd again. But it doesn't matter. Not anymore. I want to go to the diamond shop and see if there's anything new. Alright. What do we got? I hope new music is in here. I love putting music in my den. I like the best part of having a den. The deer claw. So weird. They should have a phantom claw. That's what I want to see in here. Let's see. I don't think we really need any pets. Although the pandas are always so cute. Look away like a little animal.
I'm back.
Hello. I was just looking at the cute little pandas.
Yeah, pandas are adorable. I like their chubbiness.
Chubby, 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 chubby. Doo, doo, doo. I want to go see if Serapia Forest was the actual place where I got those pretty purple flowers that Ashley was talking about before. Well, there's like...
Isn't that right there? Like, it's a different color?
No, I've never seen that before. Oh, there's aloe. Aloe is so cool. And baby rubber.
What? Is that seriously what it's called?
It's called baby rubber. I don't see the purple plants here anymore.
Oh, that's so depressing.
Maybe
They're
this...
So pretty.
Oh, these ones can't be changed.
Well, they're in the same pot.
They are in the same pot. Animal gem. Ooh, we can change the pot. Pot, 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 pot. Baby rubber. So weird. Well, you can have that big pot of flowers. Hey, what are you Googling? Oh. We're sitting next to each other, so we keep looking at each other's screens.
It's a real thing.
Well, of course it's a real thing. This is National Geographic we're talking about here.
I don't know what it does, though.
It doesn't sound like something that would have a huge medicinal purpose. Purpose? Purpose. I don't know what I'm talking about. What is that? Oh, never mind. Oh no, we're silent. I hate silence. This is videos. It's so depressing.
Oh, I didn't notice that we were silent.
It's hard sometimes to notice. Large daisy dolphin is taking a nap in a puddle. No one will ever suspect that he's there. This wolf
That's a red stop sign.
This wolf right here suspects something though, because he's practically standing on me. All my Arctic wolves are in a line. I don't know if that's all my Arctic wolves. It is. I don't need this little fox anymore.
Why do you have so many animals?
I don't know. Why do I have so much hair? No one knows. I have lots of wigs in this game. There you are!
Yep.
I gave you all the pokey. Alright, I want to put a wig on. Earl the girl seems suitable for this.
Oh my gosh, I love the little thing that Panda is wearing.
Oh, thank you.
It looks like it's just a little monster.
Yeah, I thought he was cute that way. Alright, we need a new wig for Earl the girl, but it won't be permanent because no wig is permanent with Earl the girl.
Yeah. And I think she's been wearing the same wig for her entire life.
A little bit. He's switched out a couple times.
So what color is he or is she?
I don't know. He's a girl, but at the same time, not. Aha, today seems like a good day for this wig.
It's purple.
Yes, it's purple. I'm in a purple mood today.
Purple is a good mood to be in.
I guess so. If Earl had a drag queen name, what would it be?
Anya? I don't know.
I don't know. I inhaled my saliva. It's not. Don't do that, you guys. It's not fun. Oh, right. So we're actually almost reached the capacity for a video.
What? Seriously already?
Yeah, it's about.
It's been a boring video. We need to do something.
Yes, we need to do something interesting. Let's go, tell people that we love them. It would be a great job for Earl the girl, because no one knows if he's a boy or a girl.
Okay, you can do that. I'll watch.
Okay, I need to find another. What? No, I don't. Well, no. I already have that bow. Perfect. Okay, where are you, Heart Space? I haven't. There we go. Will you marry me? And scoots away ever so slightly. I think I like you. Oh my god, I think they're turning into a wolf. No, it's a fox, but still. I think I like you. They're so confused. Yay! I can't say marry. Will you marry me? Oh, they left. I didn't even get to ask them to marry me.
Looks like HHQ doesn't approve of what you were trying to say.
But I love him. Or her. I don't know. Okay.
Why is your Shy Fox right here?
Okay. I have a confession. Scoots away a little bit. Yes, it's working. I think I love you. No, two zebras have the same stripes as me. They stripe pattern as unique as a bit of figure to a zebra. Well, this last okay. These last few minutes of the video have been awkwardly without words. Cute bunny. I didn't even know that was a possible name. It is now, yes. Yay, I got to send it. Move further away, as they all do. Sure. Yay!
Wow, that was unexpected. Suddenly there's a huge crowd in here. What happened?
Oh my god, we have people stalking us now. Okay, I'm gonna just I don't know, like, will they let me say it? There, that's a nice way to get out of that prank. Little does teensy tiny moon know, Earl the Girls uses her house as a getaway area from people that want to marry him.
And now they just awkwardly turning around.
Prank success! Earl the Girl is now officially engaged to Pang 41. We should probably end the video now. We're about 26 minutes in. So I need to breathe for a second. Okay, so I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the comments of one of my videos.
Bye!
Bye-bye!